On a special day we gather near, celebrate your life so very dear. With candles glowing bright and wishes taking flight, we hope your dreams come true with all our might. Happy birthday to you, our wish for you is a life filled with joy and dreams come true. May you always be surrounded by love and care, and may your happiness never be rare. Your precious gem, a shining light that makes our world so warm and bright. Your kindness and compassion touch our hearts, and we're so grateful for the role you play in our parts. Happy birthday to you, our wish for you is a life.
Hello, Tio. Happy 75th birthday. Wishing you all the best in life. Good health always, and more birthdays to come. Love, love.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you, Erning. Tagang kapauntahan Ginoo, hin maupay nga panlawas o bihilawig nga kinabuhi. Again, happy birthday.
Hiya, Tay!
Hello, Tay!
Happy birthday! Good health and more birthdays to come.
See you soon!
See you soon, Tay! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Papa. Wish you good health and more birthdays to come. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Lo! More birthdays to come!
Hi, Lo. Happy birthday. Hinay nga daw, Permi. Enjoy mo birthday. I love you.
Happy birthday, Lolo Erning. I love you. Happy birthday, Lolo Erning. I love you. Happy birthday, Lolo. You always hug me. You always so coming. You always love you.
Happy birthday, Lolo Erning.
Happy birthday, Lolo Erning. Wish you good health and more birthdays to come.
Hi, Lo. Happy birthday. Akon always singi ang Panginoon is matagaan ka pahin. Damo na birthdays nan maupay na panlawas kamo ni Lola, and damo nga salamat ta iyo sakripisyo para amon natanan.
Happy birthday to you!
Happy birthday, Lo! Hinautong tatagang kapon mo pinapanlawas nga makaselebrate pa kitanda mo po mo na birthday.
Happy birthday, Lo! Inin, sana naging malipayon kaya na imo kaadlawon. Kaupod nimo ni mga kaumangkonan, ano yung mga apo, mga anak. Inin, sana nag-enjoy ka. Aampo ko ha Ginoo na sana tagang kapahinhalawig na kinabuhi, maupay na panlawas permi, nganhin magmalipayon la permitim kasing-kasing. Ini nagpapasalamat ako han tanan na imo ginbuliga amon, ikaw nga nagtindog as an amon tatay, labi na amon na magburugto. Diri sadang it word na salamat para ma-express ko takon gratitude da imo. Salamat han diri kami mangangada kun hain kami yana kun diri tungodan iyo panghingkamot ni lolo kamo ni lola. Inin ang imo mga tutduha amon, nagpapasalamat gyap ako kay inin gitudduan mo ako maging mas madig-on, tutduan mo ako magpasaylo, gitudduan mo ko han imo mga prinsipyo na gintutuuhan which is hastat kahasta, dadadon ko ito hastat kahasta. Salamat lo, hantanan. Ayaw na kang pag-inaway ni Lola, pabaila ito ni Lola kung
Robinson.
kung magkinato na Robinson. Okay la iton. Bangin nga niya na lumakat na liwat ada. Matawag na la ako lo kung ano. Salamat, enjoy ka mo dida.
Happy birthday, Lo.
See you.
Joy and dreams come true. May you always be surrounded